Hi everyone, welcome to SystemEver. In this video, we are going to explore about Overdue Invoice Inquiry. The screen function is to show you list of customer payment which has passed the due date. By knowing this information, your management will take specific action when the payment is not paid by the customer at defined due date. To start analyze, let me show you how does it works. Go to Overdue Invoice Inquiry, choose the inquiry condition as you need, and then click Inquiry. You can also find the summary of sales amount by customer by double-clicking the line. And also you can click Invoice column to see the invoice detail. Only the data which is not deposited yet and has passed the due date will be shown here. The data which is not shown here means that has already paid and has not passed the due date. So that's the final of Overdue Invoice Inquiry. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Should you have any inquiry, please feel free to contact us by WhatsApp or drop us email. SystemEver, making your business better.